And welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. I'm so happy having you back here. Thank you for tuning in for today. Hope you are doing good and great as well. The extension I'm using for today's tutorial is from Xpression and it's called Ceres. For this tutorial, I'm just using only one pack of this product to achieve it, and this costs about from, let's say, 800 to 1100 naira depending on your location. That's for the product. I use, like I said before, I use one pack to achieve this style. The quality of this hair is top notch. Start off this hair, I'm just separating the hair into, that's her head, into 3 different portions. So like I said before, I separated this hair into 3 different portions. The 2 sides, I'm going to cornrow them into small cornrows and then join all the tips to the middle part and then cornrow it all back. So this video is highly requested. Like, I got tons and tons of requests on this video and I just decided to film one for you guys. This hairstyle is actually inspired by Kathy Big Brother 2019. I think she wore this hair like 2 weeks back or a week back, I'm not sure, but so many requests on this hairstyle. We'll advise you to watch this video to the end so that you don't get to miss any part of this video. And if you are new here, just go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the family. And also don't forget to share to friends and family. I have used this product to create a different look in the past, and I'm also going to leave the link of different hairstyles that I've used this product to actually create in the description box below. You can use this product to create tons and tons of hairstyles, so please check the description box below to check other hairstyles that you can use this product to create. But it depends on what you want. You can go for, it depends on your hair color. You can get color 1, color 2, and even color 4, and even other bright colors like gold and also wine or red. That's color 37, I think. I'm not sure, either color 37 or color 36. That was what I used in the previous video. That's the one I uploaded, I think, a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I used this product to actually achieve that same hairstyle. So I'm also going to I'm just going to allow you guys to see for yourself what I'm actually doing. I'm just adding little designs by the side and cornrolling it in small sizes or small cornrows. So yeah, we'll just allow you guys to watch and understand better. And if you are confused, you can leave a comment in the comment section to just indicate that you are confused, and I will do like an updated video to just explain better in details on how to like design or add little designs on a client's hair. That's when you are cornrolling just the person's natural hair, just to add little designs. I will just explain that. I will do different designs. So yeah, leave a comment if you want to see that. You can also do this on children hair, especially now that they are going back to school. They need hairstyles, they need to be changing their hairstyles. So if you want me to like film a video on how to like add little touch up to hairs, like designs on hair, so you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, I'll also leave a link to a detailed tutorial on how to cornrow for beginners. That one is just for beginners, so we'll leave the link in the description box below. You can go ahead to check it out if you're a beginner or if you are new here. unrolling, I'm just hiding the tip or the last tip using needle and thread to just do so before moving on to the next step. Okay, the next step is to just start crocheting the serres onto her head, starting from the part where I joined all the tips of the side cornrows into one cornrow. We'll crochet the extensions until I get to the front part of her head. To crochet, you just take the crochet pin and push it in out of the cornrow where you actually want to attach the extension, like so. Open up the hook of the crochet pin so that you can place the extension to it, and then close it and push it or drag the pin out of the cornrow to form a loop. Then open the loop to take the ends of the extension, which is serres, through the loop and then drag it out through the loop to tie the knot or to tie a knot. So yeah, that's how to crochet. You can go ahead to tie the knot more than once, but for this hairstyle I prefer to just tie the knot just once. Okay, we just continue crocheting until I get to the front part of her head. Doing the first bond and I'm going ahead to do the second one. It depends on how you want it to look like. You can do more than 5 to 6 bond, just depend on how you want, how big you want it to look like, how small you want it to look like. Okay, after doing the first bond, I am going ahead to do the second bond, and I am also taking the same size as much as possible and folding it inside to give the same shape of bond. Using needle and thread to also secure it. While doing this hairstyle or before styling this hair, you can as well kind of separate the extension, that's before styling the hair, into different portions, like the amount of bonds you want to achieve, and then use rubber band to just hold it first before you actually use needle and thread to secure it. It will give you a better shape. That is, if you're a beginner, it will give you a better shape, and it will help guide you on the sizes so that you don't get to make one bigger and the other one smaller. And as you are styling, make sure that the size of the bonds are coming out same size. Okay, we'll just continue styling like so until I get to the front. We'll allow you to see for yourself, and if you are confused, just leave a comment so that I will know where to actually help you or do an upgrade video on this. That is if you are confused. But if you actually like this video, if it's so helpful, just give it a big thumbs up. Okay, now that we're at the front, this is how I'm actually folding the front. Just watch the video very carefully for a better understanding. Okay, yeah, here's the final look, and thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope you're able to learn something from today's tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment on the topic you want to see or the tutorial you want to see, the hairstyle tutorial you want to see up on this channel next. Share this video to friends and family and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.